Here is the app called Liberty Mutual Mobile. So one of the popular apps in US. So let's just try it out. 300,000 ratings in US, 4.8 average rating. Probably you've seen a lot of ads for this app. And you can just see here, yes, like you can just manage your cards. You can just see your balance. You can see your tracks. You can see some stats. This is like one-stop insurance resource. Log in fast and securely with Touch ID, Face ID, access ID cards with one touch, manage your policy or claim from anywhere, at any time. You can even get rewarded for safe driving. We are here for what you need. Take care of what's important quickly and easily access ID cards and save them to your Apple Wallet. Get to know your coverages and receive customized recommendations. Save money with our Safe Driving program. Sign up for paperless billing, auto pay, and push notifications. Add drivers, update mortgage lender, and make other policy changes. So yeah, that's the app where you can do it. My account. And then continue to account. So here you can just log in with your account with email and password, or you can create account. So you can send just your account email and then just enter your policy number, and then you can just proceed with creating your account right into the app. So yeah, that's basically how it goes. So you can try it out. There is a support center, so you can always call them at this number at the hours which are set here. So that's the idea.